Hey everybody, Shaun Carney talking today about junk drawer investing. I don't want you to be a junk drawer investor, and so I'll explain that. That's someone that has several 401ks or IRAs from a couple of different companies that come in. They kind of look at the balance and then just kind of throw it in the junk drawer in the kitchen. And at tax time, they kind of pull them all out. They got one from Vanguard, one from Etrade, one from Fidelity, one from their old company, one from their new company, and it's all just kind of doing whatever. And I'll ask people when I kind of explain that, when did you stop caring about your money? Like, when did you stop caring about your wealth and retirement? It usually offends people. They're like, of course I care about my wealth and my retirement. And then I'll ask them, is it all in the same strategy? Is it all working towards the same goal? And the answer is, obviously, I have no idea, right? I'm not sure, which one's more. And I said, which one are you paying the most in fees? Like, which one's invested in the stock market, which one's invested in bonds, and certainly they're like, I'm not sure. And this is a great opportunity after tax time to make sure that you're not a junk drawer investor, to make sure that you have a strategy put in place that's working towards your retirement goals, to make sure that things are consolidated, the big picture is being looked after, and that you don't just take your wealth and take your retirement dreams and shove them in the junk drawer and hope it works out. So if you want to develop a plan, if you want to stop being a junk drawer investor, I'd love to help you.